Swedish activist Greta Thunberg got deported from Israel on Tuesday. She and the crew aboard the Medlin, a Gaza-bound aid ship, were intercepted and detained by the Israeli Navy in international waters on Monday. Israeli Foreign Ministry said that Thunberg was put on a flight to France, from where she would continue her journey to Sweden. Greta, along with other pro-Palestinian activists, were taken to Tel Aviv airport ahead of their deportation. Earlier, the Israeli Foreign Ministry had released the first images of Greta Thunberg at the port of Ashdod. The ministry, in a statement in X, said they had undergone medical examinations.
Phones need to go. Phones need to go, please.
Israeli forces boarded a charity vessel Medlin attempting to reach the Gaza Strip but defying the Israeli naval blockade. The British-flagged yacht Medlin is a part of Freedom Flotilla Coalition, or FFC. It's an organization that campaigns against Israelis' blockade of Gaza. Meanwhile, casualties were brought to Al-Shifa Hospital in Gaza City after Israeli gunfire killed at least 17 Palestinians and wounded dozens, as thousands of displaced people approached an aid distribution site of a US-backed humanitarian group in central Gaza. The Israeli military said its forces fired warning shots at suspects who were advancing in the area of Wadi Gaza and posed a threat to the troops. It added that it was aware of reports that several were injured, but argued numbers released by local health authorities did not align with the information they collected.
Al-Shifa Medical Complex has received 25 martyrs and 70 injured. Most of these martyrs and wounded were from the Humanitarian Aid Distribution Center in the Netzarim area. All the wounded who came to us were in a very critical condition. They were shot all over their bodies, and some of them had serious injuries all over their bodies. And they need surgical interventions such as neurosurgery, vascular surgery, orthopedics, and general surgeries.
The maritime zone of the coast of Gaza.
Last week, Israeli forces had warned Palestinians not to approach routes leading to sites of the US-backed Gaza Humanitarian Foundation, or GHF, between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. local time, describing these roads as closed military zones. The GHF began distributing food packages in Gaza at the end of May, overseeing a new model of aid distribution, which the United Nations says is neither impartial nor neutral. Bureau Report, India Today.